GPT Revolution, unleashing the power of Udemy, the course creation. Attention, Detroit dreamers, my entrepreneurs, my innovators, my action takers. Have you ever thought about creating your own course? Like sharing your own expertise, your journey, your challenges, your passions with the world while earning and monetizing with income. Now, if you're at the right place and in the right place at 7 p.m. live with Adriane, and you're on the right track with even considering Udemy. In the era of digital learning, especially in 2023, going through just seeing the trends of 5 billion people being online, more online courses, they're becoming popular in just maximizing and monetizing your actual expertise. So Udemy is actually a course program. It hosts thousands of different various courses on various different subjects. So creating a course, it might seem like a challenge, but leveraging artificial intelligence tools in 2023, what if there was actually tools that can actually make this process more accessible, more efficient? That tool is called ChatGPT. So in this video, we're going to go over ChatGPT and the process of developing a course with Udemy and ChatGPT. Now, Adriane, what is ChatGPT? Now, that's a language, and it's an actual model that can generate human-like text-based prompts when it's actually given the right information. So it's like your own assistant, and it can literally help you with drafting emails, can be able to help you with even coming up with different concepts, coming up with ideas in your process. And yes, even creating a course online. So if you're actually interested in being an educator or creating a course, we're going to go through the steps on step by step on how you actually create a course on Udemy. So first, you will actually go to the website of udemy.com, udemy.com, their website, and you would sign up to actually become a part of their actual online course. So you want to go to the actual teaching page, because the teaching page will give you options to be able to research topics and explore different platforms for you actually to be able to look at. So for example, as you can see on the screen, photography, travel photography, JavaScript. Now, some wealthy niches to consider when you're actually a business entrepreneur are personal development, IT, software, marketing, health, fitness, wealth development. So plan your course and come up with your course idea. And how are we going to do that, Adriane? We're going to leverage ChatGPT. And in this workshop, we're going to go through those steps as well. Now, remember, with your course idea, you want to type it in and you want to show value to your actual audience to be able to understand and create the content around that topic. So you go into Udemy and actually have to leverage ChatGPT will be the next step to actually create the script. So in creating the script, you again leverage artificial intelligence tools to ask directly in ChatGPT to help you to create a script. So for example, you would type here, create a script to create a course on personal development. Please, and you can start as simple as this, but as more information that you type into ChatGPT, the more information that you feed it, the better response that you're actually going to get out. So in regards to creating the course and asking for the information, as you can see, ChatGPT right away will actually generalize whatever information that you place in there. And the value of the course, you want to do your research with other courses that are similar in the Udemy platform. So the whole thing you want to be is have a profitable endeavor. How this opportunity is available to share knowledge and earn passive income is because, again, Udemy, you can have your courses and monetize your courses online. And you see ChatGPT is still going to work here, giving you your whole course outline, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, the objectives and the niches. So it's increasingly popular to use artificial intelligence and tools such as ChatGPT because working from home, it's in higher demand than ever before. So furthermore, Udemy is like a platform, a massive platform. And when ChatGPT actually stops, we'll jump back over to be able to look at the broad reach and opportunity that a supportive community like Udemy provides. So it's not just like just creating a course and going to figure it out by yourself. Udemy already has it set up where there's thousands of courses already, as you can see, in development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, office and productivity, personal development, design, marketing, and health and fitness. Now, It doesn't stand out for lead generation as, again, it's everything. It's 8,000 top rated courses already online and giving you the option of already creating with a database of people that are already looking for online courses. So it's no advertising needed, no organic ads, no posting or jumping around on TikTok or YouTube to be able to monetize your actual ideas. And you can actually leverage ChatGPT to write the scripts, your lectures, and focusing and delivering the content that you provide to show that visual portion of what you're actually wanting to design. So artificial intelligence just takes the worry out of even just doing something new, trying something new. And literally that's what Adriane Mays is doing right now, creating a course through Udemy. And yes, you figure it out. It's not that difficult. You got a step-by-step process with YouTube. So finally, another way to actually ChatGPT generate some different ideas for future courses, you can actually just go into ChatGPT and simply create course ideas with ChatGPT to give you get your brainstorm going and having that different knowledge. So let's jump into ChatGPT and do an actual example. So say, for instance, personal development and motivation and mindset, as we're on the billionaire in the making plan and action plan. So for mindset, we go to ChatGPT, for example, and leveraging artificial intelligence tools. That's our goal for our actual course that we're going to actually create in Udemy. So what we want to do, as I explained previously, is, again, number one, the money is in the research. Your money is in the research. So go to Udemy, make sure you go to the market insights, do the research. And if you missed the video that I did yesterday, it was over an hour and a half of a video, which is amazing. But it was an hour and a half that I actually went through all of the steps, as well as referred to Jonathan Montoya, my mentor, that actually showed me on YouTube step by step to refer to his video as well if you need additional assistance in creating your course on Udemy. So make sure you check that out from yesterday, that in regards to the whole full video on the course on Udemy. But back to our example that we were doing in ChatGPT. So if, for example, we want to create a course in Udemy on personal development. So again, the first step, your money is in your research. You've already gone through the steps of going on Udemy, going to the market insights tab, and you found, oh yes, motivation and personal development is something that I want to write on as my course. So I jump back over to ChatGPT, and I would actually make sure that my browser is clear, because you want to clear your conversations every time that you start something new with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, as a reminder, is machine learning. So it's, again, the information that you input into ChatGPT, it's going to respond and output information that's going to be based on the information you placed in, right? So you're feeding it just like anything else, and whatever you put in is what you get out. So in our example, we're going to create a course outline for personal development and billionaire mindset for 2023. And so simple, as you can see here, typing in the prompt, and as you see, ChatGPT will actually, and by the way, if you missed the video yesterday, the web chat GPT extension allows, if you can notice my screen being a little different, with the web access, and allows my information to be as recent as 2023. So check out the video from yesterday, but I'll give you the sneak peek answer. The web chat GPT extension, make sure you download that free Google extension. That allows you to be able to have access to information as recent as March of 2023. So that's awesome, because again, with the regular platform, ChatGPT users only have information up to 2021. So see, checking in with Adriane Mays, I just gave you a tip. Billionaires in the making, baby, you got to stick with me. So as you can see, ChatGPT, as I was actually rambling on, is generating the actual modules and the lessons step by step that you would actually take the information to generate your course for Udemy. Now, the key thing is you want to be original. Your course is actually a portion of you developing something with the passion that you have. So reach deep into regards to, something that you can brand and you have knowledge about. For example, I have a background in engineering as well as a master's in business administration and marketing. So with my passion and drive right now with the discovering of artificial intelligence tools and marketing, it's just great in being able to see the different opportunities and possibilities that are done. Now, since I have those credentials, where going to Murray State University and receiving my electromechanical engineering degree and having my master's in business, I'm able to look at Udemy's platform and see what courses that I can actually show value in regards to having that type of educational basis, as well as having over 20 years of experience in the different things of being a serial entrepreneur. So being a licensed insurance broker, being a tax preparer, being a mortgage broker, being a nonprofit consultant, being a part of business, and just being a part of change in artificial intelligence with SEO, change digital marketing, the digital piece that's going to bring everything together, not only in the community of Detroit, but global and abroad. Because again, it's a mission. There's an opportunity with artificial intelligence, and using ChatGPT and these tools are going to help us elevate to the next dimension. Anything is possible. It starts with a billionaire mindset. But again, it's not about just going out and doing it. You have to have that 1% of imperfection daily and have that positive mindset, because again, with the Detroit Chat GPT Revolution, how to create an Udemy course with ChatGPT and leveraging other AI tools in 2023, it's a change maker. You're literally separating yourself from the competition because the effort, there is work tied to it. This is not an overnight process. It's not a get rich tomorrow type scheme. But what it is number one, showing value to someone that needs something as well. Number two, it's going to be a lead magnet that can actually generate income for you as you advertise, because the passion in your why is going to be built into the course, because passion products are in for 2023. It's not about just putting something online and just selling something just because I have a mouse, for example, just wanting to brand it. So again, the whole key is having passion in everything that's in this book. And you're going to see great things about it tomorrow, because again, I'm at the final portion of creating the Udemy course book in regards to the step-by-step process of how I'm just going to unleash everything tomorrow. You're going to see it. It's going to be amazing. So it's 5 modules going to be on Udemy. It's going to be available with video content, interactive, and it's going to be created with AI. So my whole goal of my channel is to show entrepreneurs that you can make money online as well as use artificial intelligence tools to be able to grow your brand, your business, and transform into the billionaire brand that you have within. So if you have it already within and you leverage tools like ChatGPT, I mean, take Elon Musk, for example. Tesla has automated self-driving cars and literally is taking advantage of the technology as this entrepreneur is growing and building every year. Affiliated with OpenAI, affiliated with StockX. So has a lot of different information and growth. That's the thing, the change. So how can you make change, Detroit Chat GPT Revolution? You can make change by taking action. Check out the video from yesterday, as well as in the comments below. Let me know if there was some value that you actually received here today, because the whole goal is to be able to, you'll see the transformation, the things are in the works. You have to have the keywords research and putting your puzzle pieces together. And don't forget to get your traffic website roadmap by going to SEOchangemarketing.com. It's a free website audit to be able to get the people to see you online. It's no point of having websites, digital real estate established all over the online platforms on your TikTok, YouTube, websites, on your Facebook. But if you don't have your keyword optimization and search engine optimization, take the first step and take action for yourself. It's free. So again, hopefully you receive some value out of this video. We'll be back here 7 p.m. tomorrow. Don't forget to leave, subscribe, and like it in regards to comments on how I can grow and what AI tools was the best tool that we've talked about thus far. So hopefully, like I said, you know how we do every time we get going. I can, I will, and I must. Let's go.